Hello world! Welcome to a video on HexCasting. I've been doing it a lot on stream, and I wanted to make some tutorials on how to do it yourself. So first thing, you download the mod. That's pretty obvious. Next thing, you'll spawn with this notebook. We don't even know about stabs yet. Media. Sorry, just looking through the notebook. Media. It's found in amethyst. You mine the amethyst, and you might notice you get new things. Amethyst dust being one of them. And if we mine a bit more amethyst, we might get a rare drop. Charged amethyst. Charged amethyst is the most powerful. It starts at dust, then goes to shards, then goes to charged amethyst. You might need to know this because of media, the source, the energy of this mod. You need to keep a constant supply of amethyst dust or amethyst shards on you, or charged amethysts, to have power. Otherwise, your spells won't work, and they won't cast properly. Next, we need wood. Because what are we going to do with all this media? We're going to make a staff, or stave, or whatever you want to call it. I already grabbed the axe. Such a buffoon. Such a buffoon. We need to chop the tree, grab our wood, and over to our crafting table. And craft. Do this recipe with any wood type in the middle. Any acceptable wood type here. Staff. Yeah, the staffs. The crimson staff, the dark oak staff, vanilla woods, and also some different ones. We'll get to those. Make another one later. Right now, we have the oak stave, or oak staff, or whatever you want to call it. I'm just gonna use staff, because that's what I've always used. Now, when I right-click with this staff in my hand, it does this. And we can draw on these little markings. And that's fun and all. You might see it float around me. Shift right-click to remove anything on the board, by the way. Make sure to remember that. Shift right-click to remove anything on the board. But this does nothing. Drawing funny lines just gives us garbage text. So, we have these. In the book, you can find patterns. In the basic patterns, you have these. This just has to be drawn counterclockwise. This is mine's reflection. It means you, the player. This over here is compass's purification. It means your location, your coordinates. This is Elidade's purification. I'm barely gonna try and pronounce these. That is the block you are looking at, the coordinates in the direction you're looking at. And this is Archer's distillation. This selects the block you are looking at. But you need other things to cast these spells. And over here is a very special one. This is your first actual spell. This is break block. This will allow you to break blocks with the magic. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm kind of tired of mining amethyst with a pickaxe. I mean, it's kind of lame. Kind of lame. So, let's look at the amethyst, or the block you wish to mine, and start by casting me. Then we cast Compass Purification. Now this might sound crazy, but you cast Self again. Then you cast this. You cast the coordinates of what you're looking at. Then you select the block. There it is. And last but not least, do another Mind's Purification like this, but then add 3 extra lines connecting it to the bottom. And it breaks the block. Ain't that cool? Magic at its finest. Well, I hope that will serve you well. See you next time.